You probably think we're going to focus on this cool, colorful little area, and we're not. We're going to actually focus over on this area over here, which is more brownish. But we're going to start here at Fisherman's Wharf, and then we're going to walk over there and get into that other thing over there. Stay tuned. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Yep, we are gonna go down that way. Then this is kind of a fountain right there. This has like little food court stuff and some beautiful colorful buildings. And this is more like pastel, I don't know, Portuguese, Spanish, I don't know, but you have different themes. So way down there you have like an Amsterdam theme, and then a New Orleans, which I guess is a French theme. And you have this cool looking car as well. Hello. That's pretty cool. I think they just bring you down the way so you can don't have to walk if you don't want to. But our focus is actually going to be on this little thing straight ahead. But you can see lots of other cool stuff like this walkway. I've walked and filmed that before. But we're going to focus on this. There's so many distractions here. It's nice. Getting this race car. And we got this, I don't know what you call it. COLOSSEUM? I don't know if we can walk through it or not. Usually when the tourist time is here, this place can be very, very crowded. I don't know if we can go in or not. Maybe not. Well, let's go around it then. So yeah, this is the very quiet Colosseum. Usually there'll be people taking pictures everywhere in this area in particular. There are definitely down there as well. But this particular building seems to attract a lot of couple photographs and female photographs. A lot of young women love to have this as a backdrop for some cool photos, and couples like it too. I don't know, do I see men? Probably see them as well. But I always kind of walk down here and I see like there's a lot of people with cameras, basically. Mostly young people. I guess I see everything, families too. Then you can also hear the music in the background as well. That's the Sands Casino right there. You can also hear a helicopter that's probably landing. I don't want to look for it. I keep hearing it. Looks like the helicopter's making a lot of business. They just go back and forth to Hong Kong. And there's no ferry available, no bridge because it's COVID. It's actually the reason it's so quiet here too. A little train that usually is constantly moving if there's tourists around, and there's not. So it's also quite quiet. One time I saw a Muay Thai event here. So it's kind of a one-off that they had. Wish they would do it again. Yeah, they have this little venue here that they almost never use. But yeah, one night they had Muay Thai, and I think it was just kind of a trial to see how it went. A little bit expensive, but I was like one of the few foreigners, so they let me go into the back. I think they let me go there for free. I think they thought that I was who knows. Anyways, I guess we'll end it right there. So yep, this is the Fisherman's Wharf, and this is the Colosseum part. Chiquinha.